Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. My name is Muhammad Aska Aulia and my partner is Thomas Ardiansah. We are from CCIT FTUI and we are from 4SC7 and we are from group 8. In this video, we will explain to you about iShopping plans. Okay, enjoy this video. First, there are table of contents. The first one is design interface. The second one is flowchart, and the third one is Firebase. Design interface, UI of the application iShopping plan. This is the first user interface page in the iShopping plans. On this page, in the application head text field and two buttons. There are add data and show data. Okay, I will explain main activity. Okay, we create ref equal firebase database dot get instance dot get reference, which is plan, and then there is button add set on click listener for save data, and then there is a button show dot set on click listener for input to database Firebase. Nah, this is private fund save data. This is for save data to the Firebase. Okay, after we save data, and then the function add on complete listener will blank the text. This is the display from activity from list activity. We create database reference, and then we create mutable list, and then we create list view. Okay, Firebase database dot get instance dot get reference, which is plan, and then mutable list of. Okay, ref dot add value event listener object value event listener, and then override fun on data change P0 data snapshot. Okay, my friend Thomas will explain to you the user activity.kotlin.
Okay, the second variable is mutable list, which is user. Can you go to the user Kotlin? User Kotlin, please. Yes, this is the user Kotlin is for constructor to the Firebase database, which is we have variable number, barang, jenis, and harga. So that's it. Then next slide. And then this is for the UI update. We can update the data. Coding adapter. Okay, this is we have adapter.kotlin, which is we have context, layout res ID, and list mutable list user in the before. And then this is for variable layout inflator. Layout inflator equals to layout inflator dot form mctx and vol view. View layout inflator layout for the inflator, and then we create we declare variable txt nama, txt jenis, txt harga, and btn update, btn update, then btn delete. And then this file user list position, and then the txt nama which is equals to user dot barang, txt jenis dot text equals to user dot jenis, and txt harga dot text equals to user dot harga. And then we create btn update set on click listener, which is this is we have one function update data. Ke bawah lagi deh. Nah, this is for the function update data. We create a builder, and then alert dialog builder title update if you updated, and then inflator gain and view inflator. Then this is declare variable barang jenis harga, and then set text barang, text jenis, text harga, and then builder set view for the view the data, and then this is set positive button builder text update, and then dialog, which we create DB user for the instance get reference to the plan database, and then variable barang equals to text barang dot text to string and trim jenis to harga to, and then file user equals to user, which is in the beginning in the user we have nomor, barang, jenis, and harga. In the DB user, this is to shield for the number data, set value user, and complete listener. And then we create a toast to make text updated if you update, and then close to the back to the application. And then we have one function, I think ke atas coba,
Enough.
ke atas. Nah, bawah btn delete set on click listener. We have deleted data user. Bawah coba. Okay, this is a method delete data user. We create a my database to instance and reference to the plan, and then the child is number. This is to the remove value for deleted the value, and then we got the toast to pop up the deleted, and then we create intent, which is to the new start activity to show activity before. I think enough.
Okay.
Udah.
Flowchart. Flowcharts are easy to understand diagrams that show how the steps of a process fit together. Flowchart. Okay, start. You will the first UI, and then you choose add data or show data. If you choose add data, the process will adding data to the Firebase, and then the data already saved in the Firebase, and then end. And then if you choose show data, the process will showing the data. And then will display the data on the Firebase. You can choose two options, that is update or delete. If you choose update, the process is update the data, and then if you choose delete, the process is delete the data, and then the last end.
Okay, I will explain for the database. In the code, we have data reference plan. So you can see application is shopping plan default, blah, blah, blah. We have create a data reference plan. So this is, we have barang, harga, jenis, and nomor. This number is like value key.
Value key for Firebase.
Yeah, there's a unique key to the
Primary key.
every each the data. Okay, I think it's enough.
Enough.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.